Have you ever wondered how some people seem to defy time, maintaining a youthful glow even as they grow older? Lure Hsu is a 49-year-old Taiwanese sensation known for her incredibly youthful appearance. At first glance, she could easily pass for someone in her early 20s. What's her secret? How does she manage to look so young and vibrant? Today, you will discover the lifestyle choices contributing to her age-defying beauty, including the 2 foods she avoids and the habits that keep her fresh and radiant. Lure Hsu's youthful look isn't just a stroke of genetic luck. It results from deliberate lifestyle choices that prioritize health and well-being. One of the most critical aspects of her routine is sleep. She ensures she gets at least 9 hours of rest each night. Sleep is essential for rejuvenation, helping the body repair and regenerate. This deep rest allows her skin to maintain elasticity, keeping wrinkles and fine lines at bay. Proper sleep also supports overall health, boosting energy levels and ensuring a glowing complexion. Diet is also crucial in Lure's youthful appearance. She follows a primarily vegetarian diet, rich in fiber and protein from fruits and vegetables. While she occasionally eats animal-based foods, she is mindful of her consumption of sugary and fatty foods, which are known to accelerate aging. A well-balanced diet provides essential nutrients that nourish the skin, keeping it firm and radiant. Avoiding processed foods and focusing on natural whole ingredients helps her maintain a lean and youthful physique. Hydration is another essential factor in Lure's anti-aging regimen. She drinks plenty of water throughout the day, ensuring her skin stays hydrated and supple. She also consumes antioxidant-rich beverages like green tea, which helps protect the body from free radicals. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that promote skin health and fight premature aging. Staying hydrated supports the body's natural detoxification process, flushing out toxins that can contribute to dull skin and breakouts. To further enhance her skin's health, Lure supplements her diet with collagen and vitamin C. Collagen helps maintain skin elasticity, reducing the appearance of wrinkles, while vitamin C boosts collagen production and protects against environmental damage. These supplements work together to keep her skin smooth and youthful, proving that beauty isn't just about what you put on your skin, but also what you put into your body. Exercise is another essential component of Lure's lifestyle. She stays active to maintain a lean figure and improve circulation, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to the skin. Regular physical activity promotes overall well-being and contributes to a youthful glow. Lure Hsu is also mindful of the foods she avoids to preserve her youthful skin. Although she hasn't specifically outlined all the foods she steers clear of, excess sugar can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress, which accelerate aging. High sugar intake also contributes to the breakdown of collagen and elastin, essential proteins for maintaining firm skin. Similarly, fatty and greasy foods can clog pores and cause skin issues, making the complexion appear dull and aged. By eliminating these foods from her diet, Lure ensures her skin remains clear and vibrant. Mindful eating is essential to clear skin. Some foods, like dairy or processed snacks, can cause breakouts. Noticing how your body reacts and adjusting your diet can improve your complexion. Lure Hsu shows that aging gracefully is possible with healthy habits. Looking youthful is about long-term wellness, staying hydrated, eating well, exercising, and protecting your skin. Aging can be a beautiful transformation with the right mindset. Small lifestyle changes can make a big difference. Why not start today?